Lily, why are you putting on lipstick? We're outside.
I'm a girl. I always have to be pretty.
That makes no sense.
Give it back!
No!
What happened to our bodies?
Why am I a girl now?
I don't understand. How did this happen? Oh no, we gotta get ready for class.
Oh yeah.
How do boys get ready? My hair's so short. And what's this? Ew, I hate facial hair. It's so gross. I have to shave it off. I'll put a little shaving cream on my hand. And now I'll just put it on. Oh, I hate all this facial hair. I'm done, but there's still a shadow. I gotta cover it up. Luckily, my makeup is still here. I just gotta apply foundation. Just squeeze a little on. And dab it all over the facial hair. That's better. Thank goodness our skin tones match. Max needs more color on his face. Max looks so much prettier now. Ooh, perfect now for lipstick and eyeliner. Carefully add the eyeliner. And a little lipstick. Max looks so much prettier now. But I hate this hair. Oh! I can use this wig to cover his hair. And now I look like a queen.
It can't be that hard to be a girl. I'll just wash my face. Nice and fresh. Still smells good. I don't gotta brush my teeth yet either. Awesome.
Oh, it's so messy in here. I can't find anything to wear. And nothing's cute here. Oh, I know. Oh, Max is in here. Luckily, I still have cute dresses. Oh, this one's gonna be too tight. Oh, this one's too dark. Ooh, this is perfect. Time to change. This is so cute.
None of these clothes are comfortable. Is there anything in here? Oh, a t-shirt. This is gonna be so much more comfortable than a dress. Awesome, now I just gotta cut off the sleeves. So much airier, nice. I'll use this headband to keep the hair out of my face. Yeah, I feel manlier now.
Hi, Miss Stacy.
Hey.
Hey guys. Whoa, what are you guys wearing? And Lily, are you chewing gum?
Oh yeah, I'm Lily. Yeah I am. Is that a problem?
Yes it is. Why are you being so bad today? Go spit that out.
Whatever.
Sorry, Professor. She won't do that again.
There, are you happy, Professor?
Why are you so rude today? It's usually Max. Go sit down.
Come sit down. Stop getting in trouble. We're going over the homeostasis of frogs today, right?
That's right. How did you know that, Max?
I read ahead to prepare for class.
I'm so impressed. Keep up the good work, Max.
Thank you.
Stop making me look like such a nerd.
Can we watch the romance movie, please?
No way, I'm not watching no love story. Let's watch a scary movie.
A scary movie? No.
Trust me, you're gonna love it.
Okay, fine. It's so scary.
It's not even that bad.
Really? Tell me when the movie's over, please.
Hey, it's over now.
Huh? You liar! Why are boys' rooms so dirty? Now I have to clean before bed. I'll just throw these in the closet. Oh, what's that now? Is that an old pizza? Now that it's clean, I can finally go to bed. Finally. Huh? Max had a pizza in his bed? Finally, time for bed.
Where are Lily's pajamas? Oh, forget it. I'll just sleep in this. I'm so hungry. Oh! Luckily, I had some snacks in my backpack. What?
Oh, I'm back to normal now.
I'm a boy again. Oh,
I never want to be a boy ever again. What's this?
being a girl isn't so bad. It was kind of fun.
Hi everyone! Did you guys like our body swap video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!
None of these are...
movie. No way, we're not watching a love movie story.